Hello friends, welcome back JavaTCoding. My name is Sanjay Kumar. In this video I will explain throws keyword. In Java, throws keyword, it is used to declare the exception. So more than one exception we can declare using the throws keyword. A throws keyword must be used with the method signature only. And I will explain by giving the example how we can use the throws keyword or handle the exception. Throws example. Here I will create a one method public void test here. Okay, integer a equal to 10 divided by 0. So here this statement will throw the arithmetic exception, so we have to declare this exception by using the throws keyword. Arithmetic exception, right? Sys out, yeah, alright. So this exception is throws. If this statement occur the arithmetic exception, we have declared the arithmetic exception, right? And string s equal to new sys out s dot length. So here this statement, this is the null string we have provided, so at this line null pointer exception will occur. So also we have to declare the null pointer exception. Alright, now we can declare the n number of the exception using the throws keyword. Integer dot parse int s, right? So we have to also declare the number format exception. Now I am calling this method by creating the object of the throws example class obj new and the obj dot test. Right, now I will run. Sorry, I forgot. So here we got the arithmetic exception. Keep in mind, throws keyword, this will execute at the runtime. So throw is it not handle the exception, just we can declare the exception using the throw keyword. So we have to handle this exception here. Before that I will show you. If I comment this statement and now this method will throw the null pointer exception, right? So the null pointer exception also we have declared. Now if I comment this, now we will get the number format exception, right? So in this way we can declare the n number of exception, right? So if we are calling this method, so we have to handle all the exception here by using the try catch block. Yeah, we can handle arithmetic exception e dot print status. Null pointer exception also may occur, so we have to handle the null pointer exception. Catch block null pointer exception, right? E dot print status also this statement may throw the number format exception, so also we have to handle the number format exception. Number format exception. Interested system normal flow. Right, now I will run. So here is the number arithmetic exception we got, the and the normal flow, application normal flow is maintained because we have handled the arithmetic exception. If I comment this and this one, now this method is throw the null pointer exception, so we have handled the null pointer exception. Now I will run. So here now null pointer exception we can handle. So all exception we have handled, which is we have declared using the throw keyword, right? So in this way we can handle the number format exception, already we have handled, right? So in or the throws is always used with the method signature only. Also I will explain what is the difference. So I hope you like this video. Please comment, subscribe. Thank you.